Hello students, let's do some more 1 mark questions from the previous year's question papers. If alpha and beta are the zeros of polynomial, we have a polynomial 2y square plus 7y plus 5. Alpha and beta are the zeros. We have to find the value of alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. बच्चे, what is alpha plus beta? Sum of zeros is minus b upon a. And what is alpha beta? Product of zeros, c upon a. What is the general form of quadratic polynomial? Ax square plus bx plus c. Now, or if we have variable y, ay square plus by plus c. Now, what is a? We have 2. B is 7 and c is 5. What is alpha plus beta? Minus b upon a minus 7 by 2. And what is alpha beta? C upon a, that is 5 by 2. What we have to find? We have to find the value of alpha plus beta minus plus alpha beta, that is minus 7 by 2 plus 5 by 2. 2 is LCM. Minus 7 plus 5, that is minus 2 by 2. Minus 1 is our answer. Find the ratio in which the joining of points minus 3, 10, 6, minus 8. Let these are 2 points joined by a line AB. A is minus 3 and 10 and 6 and minus 8. AB is a line segment. Let there is a point P. The coordinates of P are minus 1 and 6. We have to find out the ratio in which this point P is dividing AB. Now, let point P divides AB in the ratio K ratio 1. Now, as per section formula, what is section formula? If a point is dividing the line segment in the ratio m ratio n, then as per section formula, the coordinates of that point P will be mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. This is x coordinate, and my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. This is y coordinate. Now, bache, as per section formula, our coordinates of P will be, we have ratio K ratio 1, K into x2 6 plus 1 into minus 3 by K plus 1, and K into minus 8 plus 1 into 10 by K plus 1. These are the coordinates of P. But the coordinates of P are given minus 1 and 6. Now our x coordinate is 6k minus 3 upon k plus 1, and y coordinate is minus 8k plus 10 upon k plus 1, and the actual coordinates are minus 1 and 6. Now let's equate x coordinate. 6k minus 3 upon k plus 1 equals to minus 1. Taking k plus 1 on the right hand side, 6k minus 3 equals to minus k minus 1, k on the left hand side, 3 on the right hand side, 7k equals to minus 1 plus 3, 2, and k is 2 by 7. If you equate y coordinate, you will get the same answer. Now, what will be our ratio? Our ratio was k ratio 1, that is 2 by 7 ratio 1. This shows 2 ratio 7 is our answer. The point P is dividing the line segment AB in the ratio 2 ratio 7. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle RPQ, let this is triangle ABC. It is similar to another triangle RPQ. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle RPQ. AB is given 3 centimeters, BC is given 5 centimeters, and AC is given 6 centimeters. RP we have 6 centimeter, PQ is 10 centimeter. We have to find QR. Now बच्चे, since these two triangles are similar, their sides will be proportionate. That is AB by RP equals to BC by PQ equals to AC by RQ. What is AB? 3. RP is 6. BC is 5. PQ is 10. What is AC? 6. RQ we have to find. 3 ones are, 3 twos are, 5 ones are, 5 twos are. Both are 1 by 2, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 equals to 6 upon RQ. What will be the value of RQ? Cross multiply 6 into 2, that is RQ is 12 centimeters. The sum of two numbers is 33 and the difference is 17. We have to find the numbers. Let first number be x and the second be y. The sum of these two numbers is x plus y, 33, and the difference x minus y is 17. Now this is equation 1, this is equation 2. We have to find the value of x and y. What we will do? We will add equation 1 and 2. X plus y equals to 33 and x minus y equals to 17. X plus x, 2x, y positive and negative, both cancel. 33 plus 17 is 50. What is the value of x? 25 is the value of x. Now we have to find the value of y. What we will do? We will put value of x in. Put x in equation 2. What was our? You can put in equation 1 also. X minus y equals to 17. X is 25 minus y equals to 17. And 25 minus 17 equals to y. Therefore, the value of y is 8. The two numbers are 25 and 8. In an AP, A equals to 8, N equals to 5 and AN equals to 0. We have to find D. Now, bache, as per AP, what is AN? AN is A plus N minus 1 into D. The value of AN is given 0. A is 8 plus 5 minus 1 into D. Now what is the common difference? 0 minus 8. Minus 8 equals to 4D. And what is the value of D? Minus 8 by 4. D, and which is equals to minus 2. Find x for which the distance between the points P and Q is 10 units. We have 2 points P and Q. Coordinates of P are 2 and minus 3 and coordinates of Q are x and 5. It is given that the distance PQ is 10 units. Now what is distance formula, bache? If we have to find the distance PQ, we will use distance formula, and which is equals to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square and whole under root. Now if PQ is this, what will be the value of PQ whole square? Square of this whole term, and the square of root is, root will be cancelled, plus y2 minus y1 whole square. What is the length PQ? 10. 10 square is x2, x minus 2 whole square plus 5 minus 3 whole square. What is a minus b whole square? A square plus b square minus 2ab. Here we have x square plus 4 minus 4x plus 5 plus 3, 8. 8 square is 64. 100 equals to x square minus 4x plus 68. X square minus 4x. 68 minus 100 minus 32 equals to 0. Now x square minus 4 8s are 32. 8x minus 4x is 4x minus 32 equals to 0. Minus sign outside the bracket. X square minus 8x plus 4x minus 32 equals to 0. Take these two and these two. What is common? X minus 8. 4 is common. X minus 8 equals to 0. We have two factors, x minus 8 and x plus 4. Put x minus 8 equals to 0. X equals to 8. One value of x. And x plus 4 equals to 0. And x equals to minus ka 4. We have two values of x, 8 and minus 4. Solve for x and y. 37x plus 43y equals to 123. 43x plus 37y equals to 170. We have two linear equations. We have to find the value of x and y. Now, bache, in first equation, the coefficient of x is 37 and coefficient of y is 43. In second equation, the coefficients interchange. Earlier 43 was the coefficient of y. In equation 2, it became the coefficient of x. In equation 1, the coefficient of x was 37, which becomes the coefficient of y in equation 2. Now, how will we solve this type of questions? First, add, let this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. If you have this type of linear equations, first add equation 1 and 2. What will we do? 37x plus 43y equals to 123 and 43x plus 37y equals to 170. 37 plus 43, 80x plus 43 plus 37, 80y equals to, here we have 240. Now, what is common? 80 is common. X plus y equals to 240. Taking 80 on the right hand side, it is multiplied here. When it comes to right hand side, it will divide. 3, 240 by 80 is 3. We have this equation. Let's call it as equation 3. Now, next what we will do? We will subtract equation 1 and 2. We will subtract the two equations. First is 37x plus 43y equals to 123 and 43x plus 37y equals to 170. Now we have to subtract these. What we will do? We will change the signs of the second equation. 37x minus 43x minus 6x plus 43y minus 37y plus 6y equals to 6. What is common? 6 minus x plus y equals to 6. Taking 6 on the right hand side, minus x plus y equals to 1. This is equation 4. Now, what we will do? We will add equation 3 and 4. What is equation 3? X plus y equals to 3 and minus x plus y equals to 1. X positive negative cancelled. Y plus y, 2y equals to 4 and the value of y is 2. Put this value of 2y, that is 2, in equation 3 or 4. We are putting in equation 3. X plus y equals to 3. X plus 2 equals to 3 and value of x is 1. Now we have x1 and y2. The product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. What are consecutive numbers, bache? Number one after the other. Let first number is 10, another is 11. First is 90, consecutive number is 91. One after the other. Let first number be x. What will be the second number? The second consecutive number will be x plus 1. If first number is 10, next is 10 plus 1, 11. Now watch it. The product of these two numbers is 306. X into x plus 1 is 306. X square plus x equals to 306 and x square plus x minus 306 equals to 0. We have a quadratic equation. Now we will split the middle term. X square plus 18x minus 17x. 18 into 17 is 306. Minus 306 equals to 0. Take these two terms. What is common? X plus 18 minus 17, x plus 18 equals to 0. We have two factors, x plus 18 and x minus 17. What will be the value of x? X plus 18 equals to 0 and x equals to minus 18. And another is x minus 17 equals to 0 and x equals to 17. Now what value of x we will take? We will take x equals to 17 and x equals to minus 18. We will reject. Why? Because we have positive integers and minus 18 is negative integer. Therefore, 17 is our first number and what will be our second number? Second number will be x plus 1, the consecutive number 18. Clear? Find nature of roots of quadratic equation 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equals to 0. We have quadratic equation minus 3x plus 5 equals to 0. We have to find the roots of equation. Now, bachche, first we will find out discriminant. Discriminant is d, which is equals to b square minus 4ac. And we know if b is equals to 0, we have equal roots, two roots which are equal. And if d is less than 0, we have no real roots. And if d is greater than 0, we have two distinct real roots. Now, to find out the nature of quadratic equation, first we will find discriminant d, which is equals to b square minus 4ac. General form is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. What is a? 2. B is minus 3 and c is 5. Now b square minus 4ac minus 3 square plus 4 into a is 2 and c is 5. Minus 3 square is 9. Minus 4 2 is 8. 8 5 is 40. Minus 31, which is less than 0. Therefore, this equation has no real roots because discriminant is less than 0. Find area of sector of a circle with radius 6 cm. We have a circle with radius 6 cm. Let O be the center. We have to find the area of sector. The angle of the sector is 60 degree. Let OA and OB are radius, which is 6 centimeters. Area of sector. What is formula for area of sector? Theta by 360 into pi r square. What is theta? 60 by 360 into pi is 22 by 7 into radius is 6 into 6. 6 6 6 and 6 get cancelled. 6 2 132 by 7 centimeter square is our answer.